Hello everybody, Passenger Alex here. Today I'm taking you guys with me from Minneapolis to Orlando, Florida in Delta First Class on board their Boeing 757-300 aircraft. It's always a pleasure to fly on the Boeing 757-300 because it is one of the longest single-aisle aircraft left flying. And I don't know how long they're going to be around for before they retire them, so it's always a pleasure, like I said. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe for more. Also Instagram and TikTok at Passenger Alex. Lots more new content on the way, so stay tuned. I'm in the terminal here. Got the pretty northern lights artwork here. After using my clear plus TSA pre-check, pretty much Thanos mode, making it through the line in about probably 3 to 5 minutes, I made my way down to the end of the G gates to the Delta Sky Club, one of the newer Delta Sky Clubs that features a viewing deck and these very tall windows, which is absolutely a dream to have at MSP Airport, just to be able to plane spot all day or however long you're in the Sky Club for. I have been in the Sky Club pretty much all seasons of the year, visiting my family in Minnesota. So I've been able to be fortunate enough to witness all different types of aircraft coming in and out of here. And I think this is the 757-200 landing here. And we have an A330-900neo pushing back. Just lots of traffic out here. A lot of fun to watch. So if you're watching this video right now, I basically have taken about probably a 3 to 4 month break. I was moving and stuff, and it just haven't traveled in a little while, but I did film this in the winter time, and I wanted to show you guys this video because I did work very hard on this video, and I thought it deserved to make it to the YouTube channel. So here we are. Also have the summer flying tour that I filmed in 2023. I'm going to be uploading that. That thing is over like an hour long, but great content. It's a little snippet of every flight that I did, so that'll be very cool. And I'm also planning on doing maybe a video of the new Delta One lounge at JFK Airport. I know LAX and Boston will be opening theirs very soon too, but I don't know. I might just do JFK's for now, and then I'll also be back at MSP very soon. It is currently August of 2024 as I am speaking right now and creating this video. But yeah, really cool, guys, really cool. It was literally rush hour here at MSP Airport as tons of flights were coming in and out. See this United A319, no, it looks like a A320 taxiing in here. I think it came from Houston, but who knows. Delta 737-900ER pushing back here. And another, that is actually my aircraft right there, the 757-300, just landing here. I think this one came in from Phoenix.
Even if I don't travel again for this year, I'll make it flat.
Here you can see the amazing Boeing 757-300 pulling into the gate here. I used to fly on these when it was Northwest Airlines back in the day. I remember going from Seattle to Honolulu on one, and back, of course. I hope these are around for much, much longer, because it's going to be sad when these airplanes stop flying for good. So, very thankful here, very thankful. Here's an Airbus A321 slowing down on the runway after landing. Lots of water on the runway, looks like. So hopefully they're doing some runway checks for that, because you never know, it could get slippery on the runway, or even icy. So you never know. But I've seen MSP in the craziest of conditions, so today's weather doesn't quite scare me too much. I do have a video in a snowstorm that was just a lot more crazy, taking off actually on a 757-300 out of MSP in 2022. So you guys can check that video as well on my channel.
It's good.
After a little bit of time here in the Sky Club, it was time to head down to the gate. If you guys would like to see more of the Delta Sky Club at MSP Airport, I do have a video up on my channel. I will link that below so you guys can check that video out.
It's great, thank you. Just water's great for me, thank you.
After boarding the aircraft, I saw this Delta A350 that came in from, I think, Seoul, Korea, and I was just waiting to taxi to its gate. But here I am. I think I'm in 3D, and very long aircraft here, of course, on the 757-300. Wish these droplets of water on the window would go away, but adds for dramatic effect, of course. Before I knew it, it was time to push back for Orlando.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing. So don't wear your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube. Activated light is attached to each vest. For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist
And get ready for takeoff. Please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
A lot of Delta aircraft lined up today at MSP. Very special video today as well, because I got a video from Go Around 29, I do believe the name is on Instagram, tower controller at MSP. On his break, he was able to get the video of my takeoff out of MSP here. So stay tuned for that, guys, on the takeoff video. Really cool. Alright guys, please enjoy this takeoff out of Minneapolis International Airport, and the takeoff will also be filmed from the tower by Go Around 29. Enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're over the runway. Flight 10
After takeoff, I was greeted to this beautiful sunset, and then it was almost time for dinner to start. For dinner, I chose the beef short rib. It also came with a nice chocolate cake, which was a very nice touch, because on the way up from Orlando to Minneapolis, I think they just gave you like a cookie and a wrapper. So, very thankful, but for being first class and for what you paid for first class, you think you should get something more, comparing like the products and stuff. So yeah, but very thankful. It was a very nice flight. Shortly after dusk approached, it was time for me to get my time-lapse video out and see what we could find. Throughout this time-lapse, we witnessed different types of aircraft fly over, and maybe even a couple shooting stars, if you look closely. And not long after dinner and dusk, we were already making our descent into Orlando. Overall, the flight was pretty good. Nice snowy takeoff, nice sunset, nice dinner. Watched a movie or two, listened to some music, got a cool time lapse, and then before you knew it, coming down into Orlando. So, again, thank you guys for watching today, showing you guys what I'm passionate about, which is aviation and travel. I just feel like I'm at home when I'm flying and I'm up in the sky, or even when I'm at the airport. Just a lot of fun for me. It's peaceful. It's like therapy. So thank you guys for joining me and supporting me. It means the world to me. And I do plan to continue Passenger Alex, for the rest of my life, honestly. So stay tuned, guys, for lots more content coming in the future, as always. And I plan on doing more like hotel room tours too, because I know people do appreciate that. Because in the long run, people watch like 3 or 4 videos when they're going somewhere. So, stay tuned for that, guys.
It's our pleasure to welcome you to Orlando, Florida, where the local time is 10:22 p.m. Please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on items stowed until the aircraft is parked at the gate and the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when you open the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that probably shifted during the flight. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for your future travel needs, including checking in for your flight and managing your SkyMiles account. We're arriving into gate 84. If you have checked luggage, you can claim your luggage at baggage claim carousel 31. Have a good evening.
I'd like to thank you guys again once more for watching this video today. Passenger Alex here. Also Instagram and TikTok at Passenger Alex. And of course, right here on YouTube at Passenger Alex. Please subscribe for more, guys, if you guys aren't subscribed yet. Comment below if you guys have ever flown to Orlando, or what you guys think of Delta Airlines. Like I said, a lot more coming in the near future. It's always nice to get on a 757-300. I'm trying to get on more of the Boeing 767-300s and 400s too in the future here, because I know that they're not going to be around for too much longer. Hopefully at least like 5 more years, but who knows. But yeah, guys, thanks again for coming with me today. Passenger Alex here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy traveling.